Let me eat the jelly with sugar. Well, Lance, come cut it for me. Which one is mine? Oh, this one. Let me cut this one yet. I'm going to drink this one too. Set up the bonfire right here tonight. Bonfire! Who gonna light the fire? What time you light the fire? You gonna light it?
No.
You not light it? Why not?
Fire danger.
So who gonna light the fire?
Probably OJ.
So you should make two. You should make another one. Put one over there.
Alright,
Yeah.
OJ.
Yeah, make two bonfire. Put one over that side too. You know, you have the sitting. Can't cut. One is not a good number, so two are good number. Two is even number. Yeah, good number. One is single, one is an odd number, so two are good numbers. So make another bonfire over that side there.
Me believe in a one. You know why? Because I'm different.
You're different.
Yeah.
Everybody's different in their own way. Chop my coconut, more and sugar to make. Chop off one spoon. It's tough. It's not tough. It's tough.
The jelly them up for me, I make them one chop and them bust.
Because a young jelly you have up at your yard.
No, sir, they're not young man.
I'm go young jelly you that chop one time.
And you open.
And it open. Look at all them almond. Who I go chop them and make almond drop? Yeah? I input them, yes, sir? Most him.
Wait. You see it, Brie?
You see all this almond? You deal with number 2. A spoon, they chop off his spoon.
No, you can't use them as spoon. Everything.
No, this year, the hammer you use it tiling.
The hammer used for what? Tiling? You can't do tiling?
I do tiling.
Oh, you do tiling? Oh. Well, that's good. You back off a trunk for do tiling, you know. You're a young boy, so you must can do tiling. No hard work not in it. The hard work not in it. The hardest part is bending down. And therefore you have to do it in a technique. Therefore you need certain way.
No.
Alright, me I go eat my coconuts. Yeah, more and sugar. Bring sugar. I don't know if we can eat it with the braces because it just be kind of hard. Mosquito, they're not going here tonight. You can't cut it off. You're a country girl, you know. Stay there. What's so funny? You're a country
so
girl.
clear.
Can't cut that. Oh.
I use street. What you say?
Me a country girl. Yeah. You can't do anything. Yeah.
Real yard style.
Real nice. Not too much sugar. Put a little sugar on the one.
Oh, no,
No man,
sugar
put some
never
more
in
sugar
them.
on the one.
No sugar in the first one.
Sugar in it, man. No want no whole heap of sugar. That's it. Put some in this. Yeah, leave it. This is the one that make it marinate.
Marinate.
So keen. The sugar so keen. Oh my God.
6 forward, 3 o'clock.